Hey guys, I'm going to be packing a 14-day capsule wardrobe from the blog Classy Yet Trendy. I'll link it down in the description. I'm going to be packing in this 21-liter backpack from Rangeland that I bought with my own money. And it has a pocket here, and then you want to bring a laptop with a thing right here for it. I'm bringing 3 jeggings, 5 shirts, PJs, 2 layers, pillowcase, towel, hair towel, tripods, chargers, carbon monoxide detector, surge protector, battery pack and cord, hand sanitizer, masks, headbands, toiletry bag, liquid bag, some snacks, meds, hair and makeup, flip-flops, a belt purse, and 21-liter backpack, and compression packing cube, and of course sneakers. And if you want, you can change the flip-flops out for slides or flats. This is what I will be leaving out to wear: the belt purse, a tee, jeggings, headband, mask, and hoodie. And of course my sneakers. I took a week's worth of undergarments and I put it on the other side of the compression cube off camera. Let's get packing. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for new video uploads.